Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting Powering Calamba City's Future, a clean energy transition strategy, which aims to contribute to climate resilience and adaptation, clean and just energy transition, sustainable development goals, and ASEAN climate and environmental cooperation. Cities like Calamba are now on the front lines of climate change, facing stronger typhoons, recurring floods, and rising temperature. In the Philippines, we experience an average of 20 tropical cyclones, many of which directly impact communities like Laguna. Calamba City, a rapidly growing city, is a major industrial and residential hub in southern Luzon. With its expanding population and economic activity, energy demand continues to rise at a significant pace. However, much of this demand is still powered by fossil fuels. Nationally, 50 to 60% of electricity generation relies on coal, contributing to greenhouse gas emission, air pollution, and higher cost of electricity for households and businesses. Despite these challenges, Calamba holds strong potential for renewable energy. The Philippines receives abundant sunlight, making solar energy highly viable, while Laguna is located near major geothermal facilities such as Makiling Banahaw Geothermal Field, one of the largest in the country. In response, we propose transforming Calamba into a clean energy transition hub, integrating solar energy, geothermal power, and community-based renewable systems into a unified and sustainable energy strategy. Guided by environmental planning principles, this strategy promotes local policies that incentivize rooftop solar installations, enforce emissions regulations, and integrate renewable energy into land use and development planning. Implementation will prioritize solar panel installation across households, public schools, commercial establishments, and industrial zones. At the same time, partnership with geothermal providers will ensure stable baseload energy supported by smart grid technologies for efficient distribution and monitoring. This transition will be driven through strong collaboration among the local government unit of Calamba, private energy providers, local communities, and national agencies, while also opening opportunities of partnership within ASEAN region for knowledge sharing and technical support. By shifting into renewable energy, Calamba strengthens its climate resilience, reducing vulnerability to fuel price volatility and supply disruptions, while advancing key sustainable development goals such as SDG 7, 11, and 13. This initiative positions Calamba as a model for ASEAN cities, demonstrating how localized, community-driven renewable energy solutions can contribute to regional environmental cooperation and climate leadership. Through this strategy, Calamba can significantly reduce carbon emissions, lower electricity costs over time, create green jobs in solar installation and maintenance, and improve overall environmental quality for its residents. The path to climate resilience and sustainable development begins at the local level. By transforming Calamba into a clean energy hub today, we take a decisive step toward a more sustainable Philippines and a stronger, climate-resilient ASEAN region. Thank you.